And then we get on the big plane, and when we land, we're going straight to the beach, right?
Look, you guys, there it is, baggage claim.
Perfect, let's grab our bags.
I want to get mine first.
Look, there's my green backpack. It's right there.
I see it, buddy. Looks like we are finally here. It's already past 9, and the sign says the flight ended. Where is our luggage?
But the carousel is completely empty. What are we supposed to do?
Please don't go. I don't want you to leave.
I know, baby. I know. But I have to. I'll be back soon.
See? I told you we'd find it at the Lost and Found.
Oh, that's such a relief. We found it. I can't believe we're finally going. This is going to be the best vacation ever.
Excuse me, we lost this little guy's favorite teddy bear on the last flight.
Oh, the little brown bear. Someone just turned it in. I'll go get him for you. Thank you very much. Congratulations, your paperwork is all in order. Enjoy your flight.
And this is the little ribbon I was telling you about. It means we get to board early, right?
Yes, that's correct. You're all set. Have a wonderful time.
Is that the big computer that finds all the clues?
It helps us organize everything so we can help people faster.
Everything is fine now. We located your bags, and you're clear to head to your gate.
Here is your copy of the receipt, sir. Be sure to keep this for your records.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, officer. You've been a great help. Look at you go! Are you excited to see the train?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Wow! Look how high the ceiling is! It's amazing!
It really is something.
If we take the 1930 to Yorin, we should still make the transfer. Look, there it is! Flight 402, on time to Paris.
We're going to Paris.
It looks like we are.
Look how fast we're going down the ramp.
Hold on tight there, Speedy. We don't want to miss the train.
You're having fun, aren't you?
This makes no sense. It should work. What did you do? It says error. I wanted the window seat.
It says gate change. Our flight is delayed and the gate moved to B12.
Are you serious? We have to run if we want to make that connection.
Hurry up, you guys! I see the sign for Platform 7. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
We made it! Look how fast we're going already. And look, our seats are right here. All aboard, everyone.
What does that mean? Are we lost?
No, but the readings are fluctuating wildly. I've never seen this pattern before. Lovely day for a journey, isn't it? We're headed north to the mountains.
It certainly is. The scenery is particularly beautiful this time of year.
And you won't believe this, but right out there, I saw a moose wearing a tiny little hat.
Quick, get in.
Thanks.
Come on, Leo, hurry up. Move it. Look, Mom, Dad, there it is. The blue streak. I know, buddy.
Isn't it magnificent?
Our very first high-speed train ride.
All aboard! This is gonna be so much fun.
Look, over there. Can we sit by the window?
It looks cozy in here.
Well, kids, here we are, the highest train station in the Alps. Isn't the view incredible?
Wow, look at that mountain.
Look at these beautiful cottages, aren't they amazing?
Wow, and look at the flowers. They're so red.
See, this line means the Old King's Road. It definitely goes left.
I don't know, Arthur.
The shortcut looks like it's this way.
I thought you said the map was magic.
Look, everyone, look! It's the biggest tree I've ever seen, and the path goes right through it. Isn't this just the most beautiful day for a walk? The air smells so fresh.
Mom, what kind of flowers are those?
Those are daisies, honey. We can pick some later.
Well, kids, we made it. What do you think of the cozy cottage?
Oh, Arthur, it's absolutely beautiful.
Wow, can we go inside now?
We made it. This cottage is the best ever. It's absolutely beautiful.
I agree. I think we're gonna love it here. Hello, Mrs. Martha. Thank you so much for having us.
Arthur, Clara, Leo, welcome. Come right in. Make yourselves at home.
Wow, this place looks amazing.
Oh, heavens. This cannot be true. What is it, Mrs. Martha? What did you find in the book?
Look, The contest results are finally up. We won the grand prize.
The grand prize? Are you sure that's real?
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it.
I truly am sorry. I didn't know what else to do.
Does this mean you don't love us anymore?
Of course we do, honey. Everything is going to be all right. I know it seems difficult right now, but if we work together, we can finish this by sunset.
Yes, I suppose you are right.
And here they are, Leo. The keys to your brand new home.
Thank you so much for this opportunity.
We got the upgrade! Yes!
This is amazing.
Wow, look at all the lights. This is amazing. It's like a fairy tale.
Wow, look at that giant cinnamon roll. Can I please have one, Mr. Pierre? It looks amazing.
But of course, young man, coming right up.
We'll take 2 of the apple tarts, please. They look wonderful.
Excellent choice. Here you are.
Here you are, young man. A special treat for being so patient.
Wow. Thank you, sir. Wow, thank you, Dad. This is the best candy ever.
I still can't believe how good this pastry is. We have to get another one on the way back.
Absolutely. And look how happy Leo is with that giant lollipop.
Why won't this load? We're completely lost out here.
What are we gonna do?
I'm scared. Where are we going? Look at this new app I found for navigating the city.
Oh, wow. That looks incredibly helpful.
I deduce that the missing cookie is right behind your back, Clara. Mystery solved.
Look at that. I've never seen the stars so bright here in the alley.
Look closely, everyone. I found the first clue.
The map says the sunken city entrance is this way. We have to check it out.
He might be right.
It's worth a look. We made it. Look, the exit.
I knew we could do it. There it is. The cafe Papa told us about. We have to try the pastries.
It looks wonderful.
Excuse me, sir. Could you tell us the way to the clock tower? Certainly. Follow this street straight down past the bakery, and you'll see it just around the bend.
See? I told you the map led right past the old Miller's cottage.
Miller's Cottage. By Jove, that's it. We found it. Right there, look, that has to be the place.
Just continue straight down this lovely street, past the next 3 lanterns. It's the large blue house right before the bridge.
And then I told everyone the story just like you showed me.
You certainly did, superstar.
We are so proud of you.
Safe travels, you two. It was wonderful having you visit.
We had a great time, Mr. Lucas.
We'll miss you.
I want to go faster. This is the best walk ever. We are finally here.
Wow, look at the lights.
It is absolutely beautiful.
Look what just arrived, Leo. It's time for our big adventure.
Wow, a suitcase. This is amazing.
This is gonna be the best vacation ever. I packed my goggles and my snorkel, and Teddy brought his hat.
It certainly sounds like you two are ready for an adventure.
Come in, Clara. Don't just stand there. Welcome home.
Oh, Mrs. Martha, it's beautiful.
This looks amazing. I'm so hungry I could eat everything on the table.
Slow down there, champion. The soup isn't going anywhere. To family, laughter, and the best apple juice in the cabin. Cheers!
Cheers! Yay, cheers!
It's so good to have you safe right here with us, my love.
And they say if you look close enough, you can still see the Star Keeper polishing his brightest gems up there.
So first, they're faster. Second, they have teeth. And third, they just look cooler.
Hard to argue with that logic.
Understanding history helps us understand ourselves, you see.
I get it now. It's like finding puzzle pieces.
As long as we have each other, there's nothing we can't achieve. This is our moment. We're gonna miss you all. Keep in touch. Bye, everyone. See you soon.